Welcome to High Tech Empire, a smart city that is equipped with Internet of Things. But what is a smart city? Smart city is a city that uses different types of electronic sensors like Internet of Things sensors, IoT sensors. It utilizes information and communication technologies. It manages assets, resources and services efficiently. Aim of smart city: adequate water supply, assured electricity supply, sanitation, including solid waste management, efficient urban mobility and public transport, affordable housing, especially for the poor, robust IT connectivity and digitalization, good governance, especially governance and citizen participation, sustainable environment, safety and security of citizens, particularly women, children and elderly people, health and education. So I have some smart solutions: e-governance and citizen services, public information, grievance redressal, electronic service delivery, citizen engagement, citizens who are city's eyes and ears, video crime monitoring, waste management, waste to energy and fuel, waste to compost, wastewater to be treated, recycling and reduction of C&D waste, water management, smart meters and management, leakage identification, prevent maintenance, water quality monitoring, energy, smart meters and management, renewable sources of energy, energy efficient and green buildings, urban mobility, smart parking, intelligent traffic management, integrated multimodal transport, others, telemedicine and teleeducation, incubation, trade facilitation centers, skill development centers. Now let's look at them in more detail in my further slides. Smart traffic management. A closed circuit television cameras, also known as CCTV cameras, that send real-time updates about the traffic flow to a central traffic management system. Installed Advanced Transportation Controller (ATC) cabinets at each intersection. Enabled with vehicle to infrastructure V2I communications and CG connectivity, which allows them to communicate with cars that have the traffic light information feature. And roads must have installed road surface sensors. It is a small picture which is depicting every smart feature of smart transportation. Smart parking with the help of an app. App will provide accurate and real-time parking information. App will provide users with the ability to locate, pay for, and even extend the parking session remotely. App will determine whether the parking spots are free or occupied and create a real-time parking map. This app will also reduce the time drivers had to wait to find the empty space, which would also help reducing congestion and pollution. Smart parking system integrates entrance barriers, detection loops, signal, and ANPR cameras with building access systems. The system can differentiate between employees and visitors, so once the license plate has been read and the barrier automatically opened, signaling displays directional information relevant to that specific driver, ensuring that visitors and employees are taken to their designated parking areas. Smart lighting. Smart lighting supply is a lighting technology designed for energy efficiency, convenience and security. Smart lighting enables households and users to remotely control cooling, heating, lighting and appliances, minimizing unnecessary light and energy use. Smart lighting also involves utilizing natural light from the sun to reduce the use of man-made lighting. A smart lighting system can ensure that dark areas are illuminated when in use. The light actively respond to the activities of the occupants based on sensors and intelligence logic that anticipates the lighting needs of an occupant. The use of automatic light dimming in an aspect of smart lighting that serve to reduce energy consumption. Automatic lighting systems, including occupancy sensors and individual controls, are suitable for open-plan office environments and can save a significant amount of energy. The detector senses motion and determines whether there are occupants in the space. It also has a timer that signals the electronic control unit after a set period of inactivity. The control unit uses this signal to activate the switch relay to turn equipment on or off. There are smart water solutions that can provide clean water on a 24 by 7 hours, means every hour, every week, every year. By investing in AI technology, water utilizers can collect and correlate the real-time data from their water network to achieve real-time data-driven business efficiencies. This data enables the water utility to improve leak detection, pinpoint leak location, verify leak alarms in real time, eliminate false leak alarms, enhance real-time monitoring of the network, react to network or water quality issue quickly, manage pressure to reduce burst, and improve customer service to provide water 24 hours every day. Smart waste management. Smart waste management solution uses sensor placed in waste recipients to measure fill levels and to notify city collection services when bins are ready to be emptied. Over time, historical data collected by sensors can be used to identify fill patterns, optimize driver routes and schedules, and reduce operational costs. The cost of these sensors is steadily decreasing, making IoT waste bins more feasible to implement and more attractive to city leaders. Smart pollution control. An environmental pollution prevention and control system in combination with the Internet of Things (IoT). The system transfers data through the Internet, which also utilizes sensor, pH sensor and smoke sensor to obtain environmental data. Besides, combined with the video data acquired through monitoring, the data are transferred to data center to analyze the haze pollution, water pollution and fire disaster in environment. According to the results, multi-purpose vehicles are mobilized to complete the tasks such as spraying water to relieve haze, water source purification and firefighting in city environment. Experiments show that the environmental pollution prevention and control system can automatically complete the urban environmental pollution detection, prevention and control, which thus reduces human and material resources and improves the efficiency of pollution prevention and control. Therefore, it possesses greatly practical significance to the construction of smart city. Schools. The Smart School is a technology-based teaching learning institution for preparing children for the information age. What the classrooms are equipped with? They are equipped with easy access to information, taking notes on a digital medium, a better understanding of topics through digital tools, a great option for students who are absent, learning in a dynamic manner, a teaching environment that is interactive. Paper is replaced by digital tools. They are easy to maintain, means no books are required, only a digital device, a tab or a laptop is required. Smart hospitals. A smart hospital relies on optimized and automated process built on interconnected assets based on IoT to improve exciting patient care procedures. Here is a small summary. First is remote care system, then mobile client devices, identification systems like biometric scanners, closed circuit security system like CCTV. Patients should have tags or bracelets or labels or badges. Buildings of hospitals must be power regulation, climate regulation, medical gas supply, door-knob system. Networking equipment, networked medical devices, mobile devices like glucose measuring devices, wearable external devices, implantable devices, stationary devices, example live sport machines, sportive devices, assistive robotics, interconnected clinical information systems, hospital information system, laboratory information system, radiology information system, picture archiving and communication system, pharmacy information system, pathology information system, blood bank system, researchers information system. Research data, for example, clinic trial reports, tracking logs, electronic medical record, patient data. And I hope you liked our presentation. I conclude that a smart city is an ecosystem of smart solutions. Efforts by Sanvi Tayal, Suhani Bhatt, Tanisha Dabas, Divyanshi Gupta, Yashika Fogart Rashi of Queen's Convent 8th. Thank you.